USA's unforgettable Paris Olympics victory continues to resonate a year later, with LeBron James, Kevin Durant, and Steph Curry leading the charge against France to secure the gold medal. The triumph, now immortalized in a Netflix documentary, became a symbol of unity and basketball greatness. Nike has since prepared tributes through signature sneakers worn by KD, LeBron, and Devin Booker, though official release details remain scarce for months. Finally, James unveils the Nike LeBron 22 Immortal pack, inspired by the gold and blue finishes he wore in Paris. Featuring crinkled leather uppers with metallic tones and insoles bearing the goddess Nike statue, the collection celebrates victory both on and off the court. After a limited release at House 330, the two-pair pack drops publicly on September 17 for $510 through retailers like Foot Locker.